In today's video, we will fix the Miele coffee machine stuck in Descale mode and reset, rinse cycle and sensor fix. The fix one, you can completely rinse cycle properly. Fill water tank with clean water. Then empty the drip tray and waste container. After that, place a cup under the spout and let the rinse cycle finish fully. Fix 2. Check water tank and sensor. Remove the water tank, then clean it properly. After that, check float the small magnet inside and put tank back properly. Now we move to our fix 3. Clean tray and waste container sensors. Firstly, you can remove the drip tray, then clean and dry it. After that, reinsert properly. The fix 4, you can restart the machine. So turn off the machine, unplug it, then wait for 5 minutes and plug back and turn on again. Goodbye.